Hi guys, my name is Tian. Today I would like to illustrate for you how to calculate present value and future value for a single cash flow which you have the different time frame. One is 1 year and second is 2 years, and the compounding is actually M equal to 1, which is annually. So let's start. We want to solve the problem for A. First, we start with timeline. Timeline is important for you so that you know the movements of a cash flow. Year 0 is equal to now. So now is considered present value. Year 1 is the maturity. So at this point of time, we want to know what is the present value. So how much is the PV? 600. How much is going to yield after 1 year? This is unknown. So how much is the interest? Is 6% per year because the M is equal to 1, meaning it's annually compounded. My procedure, I always start with formula. For a finance student, I suggest you start with formula. Since we want to know what is the future value, so we use the future value formula. Future value is equivalent to present value multiplied by PVIF IN. So we extend the formula. Future value is equivalent to present value 1 plus I powered by N. So now future value 600, 1 plus 0.06 powered by 1. So now you can find the future value. So the future value should be around 636 dollars. You can use financial calculator by insert the N equal to 1, I equal to 6%. You don't have to convert into decimal because most of financial calculator can extract the interest rate on percentage basis. So to the PV, you must write or input the negative sign together with the cash flow. And the payment, this is not the annuity payment because it's single cash flow. You leave it blank or 0 and you go to future value and you solve. What do you get? You will get the same amount as you calculated manually. So now we look to B. We want to calculate the future value for year 2. Present value 1 plus 0.06 for the 2 years. and 600. So now can you find the answer? Six, seven, 4.16. So how do you use the financial calculator? N equal to 2, I equal to 6, PV is equal to negative 600, PMT is always 0. You go to future value, you press solve, and the answer will be similar as manually calculated. Now let's do to the question subsection C. Under the subsection C, we want to find the present value. So the timeline, you want to find the unknown at year 0, which is classified as present value. You have the figure for future value, which is equivalent to 600. The I during the holding period is equal to 6%. So now since the unknown is PV, so we're going to use the formula for present value equal to future value multiplied by 1 divided 1 plus I power n, where you can also simplify by as I wrote in the whiteboard, or else also you can simplify to minus n. Yeah. So now we substitute the figure into the equations. The present value 600 multiplied by 1 plus 0.06 negative 1. So now we can find the answer. If you expecting 600 in 1 year, how much should you invest now at the rate of 6%? So your PV is equal to 566.0377, equivalent to 566.04 in dollar. Do not forget the measurements unit. For the financial calculator, how do you input the data? N equal to 1, I equal to 6, PV. You will input, you will press solve after you input every single item. So payment is 0, future value is 600. So then you press solve, you will get the answer of 560,377. Now we look to the questions D. You will receive 600 after 2 years. The I is 6% annually. The holding period is 2 years. So you want to know how much 600 in 2 years value today. So 0 here reflect today or now. We substitute the data 600 -2. So now can you find the present value? We find 533.997864. You might use 2 decimal points. Mm. 534. So how do you input in the financial calculator? N equal to 2, I equal to 6. PV you will press at the end. Payment is equal to 0. Future value equal to 600. So you will press solve. You get the answer around 533.99782. So that's all from me. Any questions, you can leave your inquiry to my below my videos. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you.